This has to be one of the most beautiful looking electric pianos ever made. Though, looking online, it's almost like it didn't exist. I've had to use the Wayback Machine to kind of see what details were once published about this piano. But even then, I could only find the odd forum post or two, most of which was speculation about the piano. So why is that? Look at the case, it's got curves, it's gloss black, and although it is looking a little tired now, those features really give it a sense of class. It's got a bit of Art Deco, it's got a bit of Yamaha U1. It looks fantastic. I love the Fender design philosophy, where everything's made for mass manufacturing. Every Fender guitar has a flat front, and that's because of the way you buy wood. It's cheap and fast, but also it doesn't matter to the end user if the top's flat or curved. It's just got to be functional. There isn't a flat surface on this piano. For Fender, almost every part is designed to be cheap, to be plate, can be easily cut, and is so repeatable. The first thing I noticed with the case of this piano is that it's really complex moulding. Any small error and it wouldn't fit right and it would look wrong. But it does fit right and it does look amazing. There's definitely a lot of effort gone into making this. There's tabs on the inside to reinforce it and make sure it aligns. And there is a few chips and things, but we will try and restore this and see how we can get it to look the best it possibly can. I think it'd be interesting to compare how this piano is compared to a Mach 1 piano and see what differences have happened over those 7 iterations. But yeah, we've definitely moved away from the Fender design approach here. But I like that. This is a high-end instrument and with a high original price tag. According to the Wayback Machine, the basic piano had an original RARP of $4,500, and then there's a $500 extra to have the active preamp, and I really can't wait to see what this sounds like, but we are missing a power cable. And then we've got the $3,000 extra speaker system, 500 watts, 250 watts at the front, 250 watts at the back. I think this is going to be loud enough. I really want to see what's inside this. I'd like to see some similar components to say like a jazz chorus. But what do you think's inside? So, to me that's almost $8,000 before tax, delivery and import fees. Adjusting for inflation today, that's about $12,000. This is a serious piano. So why is there no information online about this piano? Well, that's not for me to say. I can't put words in people's mouths. I know there was reports of some setup issues, but was this actually true? Or was it just one or two? It should be interesting to take a look at this piano and see what features it's got. See how it compares to that Mark 1 design, see how it's evolved in those 35 years, and see if there's any obvious issues or interesting features of this piano. My plan is to try and restore this and get it to the best playable condition, and I'll take it step-by-step approach to try not to change anything that's not required. I believe the story behind this one is that it's had minutes of play rather than hours, and then was put in storage. The marks on the case are all storage related, but enough on how it looks. Let's see how it plays. Let's try it. Oh, for F sharp.